Hello, I'm in a 2019 Nissan Sentra, and today I'm going to show you how to add coolant. So first you open the hood, and then up front here you'll see this cap that leads to your radiator, as well as this side reservoir. This is where you typically would add to. And make sure you've got the best coolant for your make and model. You don't want to use the wrong type. And ideally you want to match the same color and type of coolant to what's already in here. Better not to mix and match if you can help it. And as you can see, there's an overflow here. So that said, when you do fill it, make sure you get up to the max line, not all the way to the top. There's supposed to be some air gap. And when you work with the system, also make sure the vehicle's turned off and cool down. Just since this works under pressure and this coolant can get to a boil, you don't want to risk having a bunch of poisonous liquid shoot out all over you, make for a bad day. When you're ready to add, you'll just unscrew this cap, and either with a funnel or straight from your diluted coolant jug, just fill as needed till you're around that max line. And then screw this back on nice and tight when you're done. And if you do need to check in here as well, you'll just push down slightly and twist about twice, and this pops straight off. And then you can just add your diluted coolant straight here if needed, but otherwise you should just see coolant as soon as you pop this cap off. And when you're done, make sure, especially this one's screwed on tight so that you don't have coolant spraying out while you're driving. Once you've done all that, at this point I would recommend turning the vehicle on to circulate the new coolant for a few minutes through all the motor. While it does that, I check around your engine bay, around all your lines, your radiator under the vehicle, see if you see any coolant puddling. If you do see coolant puddling, that's a sign you probably have a leak or crack somewhere that needs addressed. And a way to tell that coolant apart versus, say, water condensation is the coolant should have a slight coloration to it. It'd have a slight sweetness smell. You don't really want it on your skin, but see, you have a glove on and feel it. It might feel slightly select compared to water. But I hope this is helpful. Hope you have a wonderful day.